who has not yet confirmed whether he will contest as Member of Parliament or as District Chairperson of Pade, has issued a statement that indicates a release of a campaign song ahead of this 2026, and he has a serious message about this song. The song title is not yet even indicated. Whether it is also his official campaign song is also not yet there. And above all, he's having a chilling warning to the DJs. DJs and event organizers, Odonga has a message for you. But first of all, check out the song. While people were enjoying dancing to this song, I think somewhere in the village down in Pade. Well, Odonga said nostalgia, optimism, hope ahead of 2026. To all DJs and event organizers, please don't dare rule County Pade without this song, Odonga Otto. You may not come back. So, Odonga is saying that the DJs and event organizers in Aru County in Pade district should play this song whenever they hold public functions. And in any case, if they fail to play the song, then they may not come back. So the public may end up maybe kidnapping or whatsoever. I think Dr. Odonga ended this statement with a joke, and he's just putting an emphasis that this is my song, I'm coming, I'm ready, 2026, the battle is set. So Odonga draws closer to confirming his position, but he has not yet confirmed his position. As you remember last time, he said he's weighing in on either LC5 or MP, but chances are Odonga is coming for Member of Parliament.